Hey guys, welcome to Hobbyista Down Under. This is your fellow hobbyista Johnny, and today we'll be unboxing Sega Luminasta Marin Kitagawa from the series Sono Bisuke Doru wa Koi wo Suru, or also known in English as My Dress Up Darling. This figure was from a scene in the animation or manga, which I will show you next.
Kitagawa-san! じゃーん! 水着着てきたしひらめいた時マジ天才ってなったからね
Oh my god!
Okay, going back to where we left off, this figure has captured that scene perfectly, and as a fan of the series, I'd like to appreciate what Sega has done, especially with their Luminasta line. Let's check out the box. Simple design with simple colors, which balances the aesthetics of the box. Of course it's gonna look girly since Kitagawa-san is featured, but overall look is quite easy to the eyes. Fingers crossed that the figure itself looks like what's showing here on the box. Oh, and by the way, I did win this figure from a crane game overseas, which I still haven't featured here, but I will eventually. Just doing a hands-on check of all sides of the box here, fellas. Let's open it up and see what's inside. The figure is complete, so we don't need to do any assemblies, which is great. First time I have unboxed a complete figure from Crane Game Price. Now let's inspect every item that comes in this package. The base. It's got Square Enix, so they must have had a collaboration with them. And yes, made in China. Base has neat features at the tatami mat and the hole where the peg figure can stand. On to Kitagawa-san. She is gorgeous. The hair will need a bit of fixing, but damn, the colors are so spot on when comparing on to the anime. It's soft and can be tweaked depending on how you want it displayed. I'm just playing around to see how I can capture the same image from the box, seeing that the hair can be adjusted in so many different ways. I like how they have given us consumers the freedom as to how this piece can be displayed according to our liking. The facial feature is spot on as well. The skin tone, the bikini, the shorts, everything is spot on, especially since it's not one of those high-end figures. I'm still in awe as to how Sega managed to pull off such a great figure. All the elements and the details match the art from the anime and the manga. Trying to get the camera to focus on her face so you can see it better. The detail of this sculpt is next level. I mean, just look at her. That's pretty much the same face I had when I unboxed this figure. All her accessories are present. That denim shorts, the rip on it, the bikini line. Wow, it's insane. There's so much thought put into this figure. Oh, and the colored nails, love, love, love it. Now gotta put them together so we can appreciate it even more. Here's a 360 degree of Marin Kitagawa at her finest. Now here's a closer look at this beauty. To sum it all up, this piece by Sega is a big yes for me. I recommend it for you guys who not only love my dress-up darling, but also love cheap/great crane price figures. From the design, the sculpt, the details, colors, and execution, I'd say it's a must-own figure. My final score? I'll give it an 8 out of 10. Let me know what you think. Hope you like it, and I'll see you in the next video.